3 limited weld.
RG Aircraft Services, thanks to each and every one for helping us out. We head into heat number 3. Car number 69, Chris Zamora. Car number 3, Troy Ballhorn. Car number 5, Tim Jansen. Car number 50 is Robert Lang. Hey, we got some
Silver car there, Rob Lang. We've seen him over in Trenton, Nebraska.
Number 3 tonight. Four in, 2 out. Format on this one is the cars can back up the outside rail anywhere they want. We get a green flag, they go. Maybe it's all 4 corners. I think that's it. Okay. Troy Ballhorn in that big Ford. We'll get him repositioned here. Get them all aiming towards that watermelon. That $100 watermelon. Sponsored by Douglas KOA Campground. Heat 2 was College Inn Bar. This was the Douglas KOA. Count them down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The second head on to those two. The Donna Butter peanut butter sandwich cookie. Oh, there goes a flag. 1 flag down.
Talk to that guy in the red car there with number 3. This is his first demo.
We gotta break one more.
And you can tell.
Car number 69, bumpers hung up on her numbers, under the red car. See if we can get him knocked loose here. That's Chris Zamora in 69 exit. He's got his front bumper hung up under the wheel well of Troy Ballhorn's car. He's got one car trying to knock it loose, one car trying to make sure he stays under there. Because as soon as his time runs out, the last 2 cars are in the finals. So if they can help each other and get it on loose, I think they just did it. He's loose! Now gonna make a hit. Maybe they're hung up now. And hung up on Tim Jensen's car. Now we're all loose. And there's a hit. There's a fresh 90 seconds for 69, Chris Zamora. Mr. Zamora had 4 seconds left when he made that hit, or else it would be all over. So, thank you, Mr. Zamora. That was still going. Hey, we got a derby now. We got a derby now. They're all 3 loose and rolling. 3 cars, 3 fresh clocks, 90 seconds. That's like teaching an old dog a new trick. Got to figure that out. Dog ahead. Double head. Tim Jansen gets a hit. We got fresh plots. Robert Lang, a fresh hit. Car number 50. There's Chris. He's rolling. He got that rookie tiller tire from the back end. I think I like that. Find something to hit now, buddy. Double hit. Yeah, a little bit of reverse going there. We'll give it to him. Fresh clocks for Zamora and Jensen. Lang in the number 50. 3 good clocks. 3 drivers, 3 good clocks. Car number 5's got a driver front tire laid down. It broke a bay arm or tire rod or something. Makes it a little hard to steer. Car number 50, you have 15 seconds to make a hit. There it is. 90 seconds.
Takes it out on Tuscaloosa.
Car number 5, you have 15 seconds to make a hit. Car number 5, you have 15 seconds to make a hit. Make that 5. Car number 5, your time is up. Ladies and gentlemen, that is heat number 3.
Just want to point out
Out of
the
heat
cars
number
over
3,
on the
advancing
side
to the
there.
championship round. Car
That's
number
where they're putting the
69,
cars that come out of the heat going to the main heat so that everybody can see nobody's working on that. Kind of a neat feature here.
Now again, any of these guys can come back in that 5th heat.